What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Vin here, and yes, today we're back with another fountain pen review, baby. Are some of you out there looking to buy your very first fountain pen but are afraid to pay the prices of the Pilot Custom 74, which I reviewed in my last video, which costs around $160? Well, guys, I have the perfect options for you. Today I'm going to be showing you guys two starting fountain pens that I actually bought first. These are the Pilot Metropolitan and the Jinhao X750, and we're going to jump into a close-up of them right now. Alright, so we're going to start off with a close-up of the Pilot Metropolitan, and as you can see, this is a beautiful pen, and yes, this pen is under $10 on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link down in the description for you guys below, but this is a great way to start off your fountain pen journey. This pen offers a full metal body, as you can see here, full metal body, which is already an upgrade from your classic big ballpoint pens that you're using every day, or those damn TD Bank pens you can snatch in for free from the bank. This is a great upgrade for you out there, and it's gonna make you look like a boss wherever you are. I'm telling you, on an interview, in the office, wherever you are, if you're writing with this, people are already gonna think that you're a boss. So it does offer a full metal body, as I said before. The clip is pretty stiff, actually. As you can see, I can't even lift it up myself. But it is very stiff, and it's very firm. It's not going to fall off your pocket. And I did get this in the black version. They do have other versions out there. I think they have white, but those might be more expensive. I'm showing you guys the cheapest option right here. So if we take off the cap, it's a snapping cap. As you can see, not a screw off like the Pilot Custom 74. So you just snap it off just like that, and then it reveals the nib. As you can see, it says Pilot, M for medium, and then Japan. And as you can see, it's a plain nib. Obviously, you're not going to be getting what you got for the Custom 74, which I'll show you right now, which has nice scroll work on there, and is also a 14 karat gold nib. So let me show you the Pilot Custom 74 compared next to it. Could you guys see that? Yep, as you can see on the Pilot Custom 74, you'll see what you're getting for 160 bucks. You're getting a much better design nib, 14 karat gold, and it just looks way better. But guess what? This pen, the Pilot Metropolitan, is great. You will see that when you buy it. It's a smooth writer, and we'll get into a writing sample of this later, but I just want to show you more parts of this pen. Okay, so now that you saw the nib, let me show you how to get into the body of the pen. You just unscrew the body here, and there it is. The Pilot squeeze converter that not too many people like, and I understand why. It's very hard to tell ink levels with this pen, which you can see now. And I do have ink in the pen right now, but in order to get ink in there, you have to submerge the nib fully into the ink, squeeze on this sack right here, and the ink will get sucked up into the converter. But this is not my favorite converter. I believe you can switch the converter on this pen, actually. I think you could buy the Pilot Con 40 converter, which I'll also leave the link down in the description, which is a twist converter, which you'll see on the next pen I'm going to show you guys, the Jinhao X750, because the X750 does have a twist converter on it, so you guys will be able to see what that means. And let's close this up, and we're going to jump into a close-up of the Jinhao X750, because that's pretty much it for this pen. And now we're up close and personal with the Jinhao X750, and look how beautiful this is. It's another full metal body pen, and guess how much I got this for? I got this for under $4 on Amazon. Again, I'm going to leave the link down in the description below for you guys, but just look at what you're getting for under $4. If you're afraid to pay the $10 for the Metropolitan, you could buy this for under $4 and start your fountain pen journey off the right way. So it does have full metal body. The clip on this, less stiff than the Pilot Metropolitan. But again, I don't clip my pens to my shirts, but this, I'm telling you, will not go anywhere. So let's get into the pen. Just like the Pilot Metropolitan, it's a snap-off cap. As you can see, it snaps in. The Pilot Metropolitan does have a better snap action, though, I'm not gonna lie. This is the nib that I have on my Jinhao X750, and no, it is not the nib that comes with this pen. I did swap it out. As you can see, I have the Goulet Pens broad nib on here. Shout out to the Goulet Pen team if you guys are watching this. But as soon as I heard that you could switch the nib out on the X750, which is a unique option for the pen, I switched out right away, because the nib on the Jinhao X750 wasn't bad, but I just wanted to write with a different nib size. I wanted to see what a broad writes like, so I just bought the Goulet Pens nib, and I'm telling you, it writes buttery smooth, which you'll see in the writing sample. But this right here is the original nib it came with. It says Jinhao, I guess it does have better scroll work than the Pilot Metropolitan. It does say 18 karat GP, which I'm pretty sure it means for 18 karat gold plated. This is not an 18 karat gold nib whatsoever, it's a metal nib. And the Pilot Metropolitan has a metal nib on it as well. But I did swap it out for this. So to get into inside of the Jinhao X750, we're gonna unscrew the body of the pen. And then we are left here with the converter, which it does come with. And this is what I was talking about a twist converter that you could put on the Pilot Metropolitan. It is a converter that pops out just like this. I don't have any ink in here, so I can show you guys that. And pretty much you submerge the nib into the ink, and then you suck up the ink just like that. Okay, so it's a twist and fill. Okay, and you're gonna see that because I'm actually gonna fill this pen up with the ink that we'll be using today, and then we'll jump into the writing sample. A little disclaimer before we get into the writing sample. I was actually filming this video last week for the Pilot Metropolitan by itself, and it was writing so dry since I haven't wrote with it in a while that I put too much pressure on during the writing sample. I hope I can find you guys what actually happened in a little video clip. If I can, I'll put this in the video. I broke the pen. I broke the pen. I wind up bending the nib out of shape. I don't know if you guys could see it, but the nib is bent, and this thing is not gonna write anymore. So unfortunately, I can't do the writing sample with the Pilot Metropolitan, but I will be doing with the Jinhao X750. But this pen does write so well, and this was the very first fountain pen I ever picked up, and I was blown away by it. And it did get me started on my fountain pen journey, so I had to put this in this video even though it's out of commission right now. I will have to pick up another one of these pens, but we're going to jump into the writing sample anyway of the Jinhao X750. Okay, you guys, so let's fill this bad boy up, and today we're going to be using Mont Blanc's Burgundy Red ink, which is a beautiful burgundy ink. It's one of the first inks I picked up from Mont Blanc. I'll leave the link down in the description for this below as well. So as I said, I'm going to show you guys how to use this twist converter. Very simple. First, push the piston all the way down. Submerge the nib into the ink. You twist up. And we're going to suck some of the ink up. And if you don't get it on your first try, just like I did, keep on doing it. Don't worry. It doesn't always have to come up on the first time. It could be shy. And just twist up. As you can see, we got a lot of ink in there right now. And we're going to jump into the writing sample right now. Alright, so let's jump into the writing sample now. We are writing with the Jinhao X750. As I said, this is a Goulet pen broad nib. And it is a steel nib. We're writing today with Mont Blanc's Burgundy Red. And again, this is on Rhodia's number 16 dot pad. And let's just jump into a little writing example to show you guys how smooth this nib is. Quick. And if you guys do hear some scratchiness picked up by the microphone, it's actually not scratchy at all. It's just the microphone picking up every sound that there is. Okay guys, a quick writing sample. Now let's just show you this nib does offer some line variation. Let's see, let's put some pressure down. You can't get that much out of it, but I didn't expect it anyway. But just look, this pen is not skipping a beat at all. I just want to show you the wetness of this nib. Yep, and as you can see, it is a very wet nib. And if you guys want to do some reverse writing, if you're into that sort of thing, you can't really get much out of this nib. As you can see, it's really scratchy. I don't know why you want to write that way anyway, but that's pretty much it for this review and this writing sample. So once again, thank you so much for watching this. And let's wrap this video up. There you have it. I just showed you guys two of my favorite fountain pens I first started out with at a great price. Again, the links are down in the description below. I believe these are the two best fountain pens on the market if you guys are looking to start writing with fountain pens. So guys, please pick these pens out down below, and please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.